In this video, I'm going to show you how to open two PDF files side by side in Adobe Reader. So to do this, you first want to open the first document, then you want to open the second one as well. So go to File, top left, click on Open, and then from here, select the document and click on Open. So now you'll have two tabs with two different documents. You want to go to the first one, whichever one, of course it doesn't matter, and then you can go to Window up top, hover over Tile, and then click on vertically. Now when you do this, it's going to open both of these side by side just like this, and you can even click on this arrow over here, so this one, to actually kind of hide this sidebar. And as you can see, sometimes you have to kind of correct this, but this way you can basically compare two PDFs side by side. You can of course make them a bit smaller using this button up top to make it smaller, to kind of zoom out, and then you can just scroll down and compare these very easily. Okay, so that's how to open side by side. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.